Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir yogurt at home. Let's dive into the simple process of transforming milk into a probiotic-rich beverage. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to enjoying your finished product. Making your own kefir is a rewarding experience, offering a fresh, tangy, and beneficial addition to your diet. Get ready to create a healthy, fermented food right in your own kitchen with ease. To begin your kefir journey, you'll need just a few key items. First, secure some active kefir grains and about 4 cups of fresh milk. Whole milk often yields the best results. You'll also need a clean glass jar for fermentation, a non-metal strainer, and a non-metal spoon. Remember, cleanliness is crucial to ensure a successful and healthy batch of kefir. Having these ready makes the process smooth. Now for the exciting part, fermentation. Gently place 1 to 2 tablespoons of your active kefir grains into the glass jar. Pour in about 4 cups of milk, ensuring the grains are fully submerged. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cloth, allowing air circulation. Let it sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 24 hours. You'll notice the milk thickening and a pleasant, tangy smell. Once your kefir has fermented, it's time to harvest. Carefully strain the mixture through a non-metal sieve into a clean container, separating the liquid kefir from the grains. Your fresh kefir can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Gently rinse your kefir grains with cool water, if desired, and immediately place them into fresh milk to begin your next batch. Enjoy your homemade, probiotic-rich kefir.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.